Hi, this is Brett with Aim Small, Miss Small TV. Today we're talking about the Tikka T1x RWS Rifle Match through a chronograph, and we did five round groups. Let's take a look at the groups. 0.71, yikes. 0.75, yikes. 0.35, that's good. 0.40, 0.49, 0.46. Not great, right? But let's take a look at target 3. That is 5 rounds. That top one, right, right at 11 o'clock, that's 2 rounds in there, and the 9 o'clock, that's 3 rounds. Unbelievable. Couldn't they just be in one group? I was kind of blown away. Now I don't remember if it was 1, 2, back and forth, how it exactly landed, but please watch a video for that. But I've never seen anything like that before. Okay, another couple things to note. Let's look at the target again. After the first 2 groups, I went ahead and took out the bolt to look down the barrel, and it was full of gas. I waited till the gas dissipated, then went ahead and shot the 3rd group. After the 4th group, gas was blocking the barrel, and after the 5th group, gas was blocking the barrel. And if you actually look at the 5th group, the first round was 1,003 feet per second, causing the round to go low. If that round didn't go so low, it probably would have grouped nicely with the other guys and given a better group. Just something I noticed as I was going through the video. And on target 6, the 3rd shot was the flyer. So that 3rd shot, if it had been back with the group of everything else, that would have also been a good group. Why the flyers were there, I'm not sure. But just something to think about, that these flyers, they affect the group size. And if there's a way to eliminate those flyers when shooting precision, this is our goal, right? Is to eliminate the flyers. Possibly ammo sorting could have solved the problem, whether it's weight or rim thickness. But other than that, that's the goal, is to try to figure that out. I went through the accurizing of the barrel tuning through the action screws to try to eliminate the flyers. I mean, target 5, the flyer's right in there, so it's not a bad group at all at 0.49. But target 6, the flyer or outlier or whatever the heck you want to call it, it's away from the herd. This is just kind of the challenge of rimfire shooting, to try to figure out how to keep those things all together. All right, let's go over the chronograph. I can't remember exactly how many shots I shot. It was probably around 40. The average, we'll show you right here, is 1036 feet per second. Extreme spread is 101. Standard deviation is 19. So that was with the Tikka. I previously did a video with the chronograph with this ammo in the CZ, and I'll go ahead and put those numbers up here. But the extreme spread on this guy was 101. On the Tikka was 65. Standard deviation on this guy was 19. The CZ was 15. Just something to note. Anyway, I'll go ahead and let you continue on. If you'd like to watch the video of the actual shooting, you should just do it to watch target 3. And other than that, God bless. Please like, subscribe, shoot that bell, and Godspeed. We've got the Tikka T1x RWS Rifle Match. I've got 6 targets, little 1-inch squares. I'm going to do 6 5-inch groups, and it looks like the breeze is coming up a bit. Let's see how it goes.
1041. 1065. 979. 1040. 1048.
Well, that's not encouraging. Target 2.
$1,063. 1,020.
By the way, that round landed right where I'm aiming.
$1,028. 1,060. 1,003.
Okay. So, as I was talking about earlier, gas is in the barrel. And I can't see through the barrel right now. Now, I did shoot, before shooting the 5-round groups, I shot 10 rounds just to get the barrel warmed up, get it seasoned a little, and make sure I was sighted in. So it's possible, I don't know, we're gonna have to just see. Okay, barrel is free of gases. Let's try this again. We are on the 3rd target.
$1,024. 1,050. 1,027. 1,030. 1,042.
I gotta tell you, that target right there is the trippiest thing I've ever seen. Huh. Okay, no gases in the chamber. I can't wait to see this next group, to be honest with you.
$1,050. 1,038. 1028. 1031. 1038.
All right. Let's go with the fifth group. Actually, just reminded myself to look through the chamber, and guess what? It's full of gases. I've got some video on this gas thing, but it's not very good. Maybe I'll try to show it to you guys because I'm kind of curious. Maybe as the day goes on, I'll try to get some other footage of this to help explain what I'm seeing. I'm holding off right now. The chamber looks like, you know, it's about half full of gas, and it's basically horizontal line right down the middle of the barrel. It's kind of just sitting there. I've thought about bringing a little fan or something to blow that stuff out of there. Okay, we're about 2/3 and we're almost empty. I can see just a little bit now on the bottom of the barrel. All right, I'm going for it. You know what I might do is I might bring my bore scope with me. That would probably show it. Fifth target.
One 1003. 1020. 1037. 1060. 1041.
Okay, after 5 shots, all gassy again. I'm going to go ahead and let it clear out, and then we'll shoot the last group. Okay, breeze is going well. Barrel's ungassed. Let's do this. Last target.
$1,046. $1,022. $1,027. $1,027. $1,052.